Today I'm going to show you how to install a hard drive and Synology. This one is the network attached storage. We use it for to save your video, music, and as you can see, it comes with the box. It looks really good. And as you can see here, say the desk station. I'm not going to go through the technical details, but I'm going to leave the link. You have to watch the video to the end because installation, after I put a hard drive, I have to connect to the network and do download and show you how this works. So this is a box. You can go online and see. So this one is, I don't know if you can see, but it's DS218J. So I'm going to put the link, and it's about 172 something. And so it came with a power adapter. This go right here, and this is screw. I think we're going to use for hard drive. On the front here, you have two USB, and then you have a network port. This one, Ethernet port here. People call it data cable or something. And this is power. So that means you'll be able to transfer a file from your, a picture from your a camera or from your USB flash drive. So let's try to see. Yeah. So this USB works for that. And so before we go, what are you going to need? You're going to need a router, whatever your network provider device you have. The network cable is going to go from this router to the end of this device. And the traffic, the network traffic is going to go from here to here, and then you can plug the cable on this one. But you don't manage anything. That's when you, if you don't have more, what they call port here. So that's all you need. You need one, you're going to connect to your router. Whatever you use at home for your internet, this cable is going to go and go in the back of the device. So from here, we're done, and I'm going to put a lot of links so you. So let's open it. It looks like this is all we need, and so we're going to see what we need right here. So how does this go? Okay, so on the front here, you're not going to see it, but I'm going to put something online. It's a LAN, that means local area network. And then Bay 1 and Bay 2 mean hard drive 1 and hard drive 2. Like I said, this one is say Bay 2. I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, so something say Bay 2. Meaning two hard drive. So let's do it together and see how this works. After I finish here, I'm going to connect to the network, and I'm going to do installation and create account. I already did create account actually, because you have to add these devices to Synology website. The thing. So I think so you have to slide the thing. Okay, so I'm doing also, I'm learning here, but I think, okay, yep. So you have to slide this out. Okay. So this thing, okay. And that's what was confusing me. When I got this in the mail, I was asking, okay, where the power cable? If you open the computer or desktop before, there should be a cable from here, the data cable, and then that what they call the power cable to go to the NAS. If you can see, so you have two, one for the data and one for the power. But I think all this been embedded to the system here. I mean to the. It's not a motherboard. We can say system board. I don't know if you can see it, but this is how it looks like. So it's too light. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to put a picture online so you can see. So as you can see, it has four where you put the screw for the hard drive. So you have to make sure this one is aligned up, because I have one. Another time when I get another one, it's going to go on the top of this machine. So look at. Okay, so you have to be so serious about it. So, okay, I don't know, you can't see it. So you have to align this up. You see this? And this one. So you're not going to be, it should be, yes, it should fit right. So, all right. Okay, look to me. Okay. So what I can see here, so to balance this up, you have, so when you screw, if you did a motherboard before computers, you have to make a balance. So I'm going to put one screw here and one screw here, because if you did one side, the other side is going to be unbalanced, and it can cause a problem. Because if you didn't do it right, when you connect it to the network, it's not going to recognize, or it's not going to detect your hard drive, and you will not be able to finish or set up. So the system have, or network have, to recognize your hard drive. So what do I need here? So, okay, so I think I need, so what are we going to do? We're going to put the hard drive, install the hard drive. Like I said, when you do it, do one here and one here, and then, so you can make a balance. So I'm going to try 2.0. May work. 2.0. You're not going to see it, but I hope so. I'm going to put the link for online thing, so they may have a video so clear. But for now, just let me do it. Okay. Okay, this one is going. Okay, so that's one. Screws go this side. Another one here. So I'm trying to make a balance, and then you can do, and then you do the last. So you do two, one on the other side, one on the side. Okay. So I need 4. So if you if you have one hard drive, you want to keep the other. So I'm going to keep some of this screw. I don't know what this small one do, but I'm not going to worry about it. Because I just want this one to sit right. So like I said, the device itself, it came with nothing. It's just the power cable and the screw. So you have to buy a hard drive separate. Or if you buy two of them, it may cost you $350 something. I saw that online. It depends on what you want to do with it. For me, I just do a video for like 4 to 3 a month. So I may not need that a lot, and that's why I'm buying 2 terabyte. But for you, if you are a small business or running some big, you may buy 2 or 1, but it have to be like 4 terabyte or something. I saw there's a big one. Okay, so let's see. It's going very well. So I put those 2 hard drive, the screw on 4 sides, as you can see here. So, and then I'm just screw it, tied it. Okay, and this. So what I use, this one is say 2.0. So, but I think anything can work on. Yep. So, yep, it's working. So as you can see, we're able to put hard drive. You can see right here. And so when I buy another one, it's going to go right here on the top. So right now is good. You can see now. Yep. So it's good and good now. So we need like on the front here we need 2 screws. So look like we got a small one. I think this bag it came with 4. I don't know what that's for, but I'm just going to use 2. They may be nice sending more than once, but I keep some of them just in case something go wrong. Okay, I'll use this guy. Alright, it's going well. Yeah. Alright. Another one will go to here. I don't know, you can't see it, but if you have questions, just let me know. It looks like we got it. So okay, so now the hard drive is in. This looks good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it right here, but I'm going to take it to my desk, but the hard drive is going to go, the network cable is going to go there, and then let me see the power. This is power cable. Because I don't have a network here, all this are wireless, so I'm going to take it to where the power. Okay. This is the power button. And I think you have to push the, yep. You see now? And you have to push this power button. And you can see